How to fix no sound problem on Steam games. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy way to fix if your Steam games are not playing any sounds for you. Let's just get started. First thing first you need to go ahead and do is go to library section at the top. From there, you can easily find your games on the library. Right click on the game that you're facing issue on and then go to properties. Once you open up Properties, you can find the Installed File tab at the left side of your screen. Click on it, and once you are on Installed File option, you can go ahead and verify the integrity of your game files. Click on that, and it's going to take a while to verify your integrity of game files. And once you know that your files have been verified, what you can do is try to play the game and see if the sound works. If it still doesn't work, then in that case, you are going to have to uninstall the application and reinstall the game again. Right click on it, and then from there, go over to Manage, go to Uninstall, and then tap on it. Then you can easily reinstall the game and the sound should start working.